Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. And for today's video, we're going to talk about the plant care tips about peperomia. So if you like this plant, then keep on watching. Peperomia are wonderful plants to grow indoors and outdoors as well, as they have so many features that make them ideal houseplants. With a great variety of beautiful foliage and tolerating a wide range of growing conditions, they are ideal for anyone looking to expand their collection of houseplants. So here I have two types of peperomia, which is the Peperomia Pico Banda. Beautiful. It somewhat looks like a watermelon peperomia, but it's not. And this one is a parallel peperomia. My 3-year-old parallel peperomia. And this one is just about 2 years old. Peperomia picolobanda is distinguished by its thick, pale, silvery green leaves and dark green, sometimes purple tinge, heavy vining running in multiple bands down their length. Stems are fleshy, succulent red. Green spikes of tiny flowers appear on long, thin red stalks and waft tantalizingly above the plants. So look at this 2-year-old mama. Most of the time, if you're a newbie to peperomias, it somewhat look like peperomia watermelon. But they're very different from each other. Although one family, of course. It's so beautiful. One of the most easy to care for type of peperomia is the parallel peperomia. Its needs are simple and easy to provide. Consistent, moderate temperatures, bright but indirect light, on occasion deep watering will keep these very attractive plants happy and healthy. As Peperomia putullata matures, pinch out the stems to control the plant's size and maintain an attractive shapes. So she is my 3-year-old mama, one of my first peperomia in my collection, and so as my peperomia hope. But the downfall of this one is it is mealybug friendly and snail friendly as well. So quite several times I always cut up some snails on top of it, crawling on top of it, but so far they're doing fine. And I think this is the mark that the snail left a couple of weeks ago, although she's doing great and she's bushy. So how do I water and fertilize my peperomias? I water them when the top layer of the potting mix has dried out. Because this peperomia is a semi-succulent, so it stores water in its leaves, meaning it doesn't need watering too often, especially in more shady spot. So be sure not to overwater it, especially during winter time, as the delicate roots if this houseplant will rot. Peperomia plants like a well-balanced fertilizer. You can find fertilizers in dry pellet forms called slow-release fertilizer or NPK that release nutrients over a long period of time, or if you want to go for more organic, then use the cow manure, chicken manure, or a sea mungus. like this one. Most commercial potting mixes contain some of these to provide nutrients to the plants right away. So sometimes when we buy a bag of cactus and succulent soil mix, they have the slow release fertilizer in there. In general, Peperomia thrives in aerated, well-draining soil, just like the succulents. You can purchase a pre-made potting mix or make your own with orchid barks, coconut coir, perlite, or pumice, activated charcoal, and warm casting. The ingredients ratio may vary depending on the temperature and your watering routine. Just make sure that the soil is extremely well draining for your baby rubber plant. You can purchase a cactus potting mix, or you can add some sand to your potting mix, or perlite and more pumice to improve drainage and aeration. A terracotta pot is ideal for this type of plant because they are porous, which allows the excess water to evaporate. But at this moment, I am using my plastic pot. So she's been here for 2 years and so far she's doing great. Most varieties of Peperomia plants prefer medium to bright indirect light, but it can tolerate low indirect light as well. Peperomia plants are not suited for intense direct sun, so make sure that you put them on the right spot or location at your home. So that's about it for our short video about Peperomia plants. If you're planning to purchase a plants like this, then watch this video, and I have playlists of more plant care tips and fish care tips as well. So again, thanks for joining me today. I will see you all on my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening. Bye!